Here's how to install Epic Game Store. Everybody thinks that Steam is the only option to install and manage games in your personal computer, but this assumption is quite wrong because Epic Game Store is another invincible platform that provides a central hub to all the players to buy and download games on your PC. This offers an extensive range of features to easily download the games and provides a next-level experience. Follow these steps to install Epic Game Store. Firstly, launch to the web browser and open Epic Game Store. Once you've launched to its website, you would see a blue button on the homepage called Download. Tap it. After clicking on Download, a prompt would appear to save the installer file. Now click on it to set up the entire process, and it perhaps asks you for some permissions. Give them by tapping Yes. Afterwards, select your desired installation location or adhere to the default one and tap on Install to begin it. Wait for a few minutes to install the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. After the completion of download, launch the Epic Games Launcher and sign up. Once you successfully sign into Epic Games Launcher, explore the launcher and find out your favorite game from a wide catalog filled with several intriguing games. Additionally, it consists of a few standard free games available to play along with the premium ones. So if you want to play a premium game, click on Buy Now and finish your purchase.